Hey everyone, Greg Coleman here at Bob Hook Chevrolet. Today we're going to be going over the new parking assist feature on the 23 Equinox. This is the 23 Equinox with leather seats, nice maple sugar interior with the sunroof. The first thing you're going to do to activate the parking assist is 1, find a parking spot. 2, after that you're going to press the parking assist button right here. We can choose between parallel and perpendicular parking after starting the park assist. Make sure you check your surroundings and don't hit anything. The parking assist feature in the 23 Equinox, also available in the Malibu as well. If you have any questions or want to come take a look at this vehicle, come see us at Bob Hook Chevrolet, 4144 Bardstown Rd. I'll be here all week.